agent, I travel quite often and I'm always on the go. So whether it's a weekend getaway or I'm island hopping in the Caribbean, I rely heavily on durable quality luggage. And today I'm so excited to unbox this beautiful carry-on by Level 8. This is their Level 8 Rolling Carry-On Luggage, which is lightweight, it has luminous texture, and it's airline approved. Just want to give a quick disclaimer. This carry-on was gifted to me by Level 8. I am not being paid to do this, so you will hear my honest opinion on what I think about this product. Because I travel so much, I love high quality, I love durability, and I am hoping that this suitcase will give me all that I need. So let's just dive right in and check out this product. Okay, I like the little handle here. Easy to take right out the big box. I cannot wait to just see what this looks like. I've been looking at images and videos online and I'm just like blown away with the beauty of it. So they have a little canvas bag. So this carry-on is lightweight. It only weighs 7.7 pounds. So if you're planning one of those 1 to 4 day trips or a quick beach getaway, a business trip, this 20-inch carry-on is perfect. Okay, look, y'all, I'm in love. So my first impression is wow. Like, not only is it stunning, but it's sleek, and you can tell this is very well made. So it has a handle at the top. It has a handle on the side. So for me, like if I'm doing a carry-on, sometimes I pack it and I'm struggling to lift it up above me, but the fact that you can hold on to both and put it in the overhead compartment is really great. Another thing I love about this carry-on, it comes with 4 levels for the handle. So you can adjust it perfect to your height. And trust me, for a person who drags their suitcase everywhere, this is a lifesaver. Another one of my favorite features about this is that the suitcase comes with a built-in TSA-approved lock to keep your items safe when traveling. Look at how gorgeous these wheels are. I mean, I'm just in love with the sleek design of this suitcase. And this has 8 silent spinner wheels, so you will glide effortlessly through the airport, which will make maneuvering, through the crowds in the terminal so much easier. Okay, so now let's check out the inside of this luggage. I mean, the interior is so well organized. So it has zipper mesh pockets, and it's perfect for keeping everything neatly packed, so no more digging around for small items. You can easily fit everything you need for a few days. Now, if you're traveling for like 7 days, yes, you might want to take something bigger, but this is perfect for like a 4-day getaway. And I have to say, the zippers are so smooth. I've had luggage before where the zipper snags, but this one, super smooth. Now, I have not used this yet, so I will have to do an update on my review after I actually use it. But so far, 10 out of 10. Overall, I'm really impressed with this rolling carry-on. It is lightweight, it's durable, it's secure, and let's be honest, it's a gorgeous piece of luggage. So if you're someone that values function and luxury while traveling, this may be your new favorite carry-on. Special thanks to Level 8. Thank you so much for sending me this beautiful suitcase. I cannot wait to take this on my next adventure to Jamaica. So here's the best part. If you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous luggage, you can get it on October 8th and October 9th for 20% off during Amazon's fall sale. You'll also save another 5% off by using my exclusive promo code, which I'm gonna put in the description box below. So grab your carry-on today. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And for more videos like this, travel tips, travel inspiration, click that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.